How to use Zelle with Wells Fargo app. First of all, open the Wells Fargo app and log in with your credentials. Next, tap on the Transfer and Pay option from the main menu, then select Send Money with Zelle. After that, if you haven't already enrolled, follow the prompts to register your email or mobile number with Zelle. Once enrolled, tap Send Money and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Make sure the information is correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Then enter the amount you want to send and add a note if needed, like payment for groceries or rent. Finally, review your details carefully and tap Send. The recipient will usually receive the funds within minutes and you will get a confirmation notification for your transaction. Using Zelle within Wells Fargo ensures fast, secure, and convenient money transfer, whether you are paying friends, family, or someone else you trust. Now you know how to use Zelle with Wells Fargo app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.